please back away from me now?
No fucking way you just did that, bro. No way we're gonna follow her. You're gonna follow her. Come on. Oh, go. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh this is crazy. Oh shit. No way.
Just like every random.
No way. Jeez, we're done. She's wild. I should let her tap me though, huh?
For the culture, you know, for the culture.
Nah, I ain't for because your hitters are. No! She's coming after us. No way I'm letting her hit me. Hell no.
You are something
Hell
else.
no, bro. I ain't letting her hit me. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell no. I ain't letting her hit me at all, bro. She's insane. She's gonna tell me to let her hit me.
This is my second sport bike. I had a Z1000.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
And you pushed me on the left, so don't.
I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be an asshole.
I was going to go straight. You came on my left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way.
I was just trying to get around you, and you gunned
on the left.
Yeah, because there's two lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend you.
It's okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
No. I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the right.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking a left, I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
All right.
Get out of the road, what are you doing? Dude! No, get the... That's on dash cam.
Get the f away, you morons. What the f is wrong with you? Get the f out of the way. Get the f out of the way, you stupid morons. Oh my god. Stupid f morons. Get the f out of the way. Nobody gives a f. Nobody gives a f. Go f yourselves. Go f yourselves.
His mum's birthday is on Saturday, I think. No, it might be on the Friday. Some fucking moron doing it. Drive what the fuck, man. See that guy trying to overtake me in the bike lane? Look, now he's up on here.
Oh my god. Fuck. Oh, open.
What's wrong with this car?
There's something wrong. That's what he just did then. my god, he's psycho. Are you right?
Oh, Jesus. She ran right into us. God damn it.
Oh, shit.
Jij bent aan de beurt, jongen!
Doe dat!
Jij!
Doen! Vieze hond!
Wat een... Oh, schat! 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 Schat, pak hem! Pak hem! Pak die vieze hond! Pak die vieze hond! Pak die vieze hond! Wat doe jij? Je rijdt vol tegen onze auto aan! Pak hem, schat! Pak hem! Jij! Goed zo, schat! Ben jij helemaal gek? Goed zo! Klaar, schat, klaar! Klaar, schat, schat! 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 Schat, het is klaar! Schat! Klaar, schat, kom hier.
Bel de politie.
Ja, ik bel de politie.
Bel de politie.
Ga eens weg. Die deur valt dicht. Zo. Dus je alleen twee.
Classy stuff right there. Ooh. my god. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He just nothing to him. Look at this piece of dude, look what he did in my car. Look at this piece of Look at you. Are you gonna attack me? Are you gonna attack me? For what did I do to you? What are you, nuts? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? This is the guy's plate number. Are you jealous to this guy? He just destroyed my brand new car. He just destroyed my brand new car, you idiot.
So just get that beside him and flip him off.
There you go.
Oh, goodness.
All the way around. Literally just messing with him now.
Oh, yeah, there they go.
Ya, ya, mamá, ya. Ya. Él es el culpable porque él se le atravesó allá y se le puso a decir un poco de vergas a este man.
¡Sáquenlo, chico de tu madre!
Sí, papá.
¿Ah?
Cálmate ya.
¿Mamá qué? ¿Ah? ¿Qué mamá?
Dile que ya se vaya.
Ya.
Ya, dale,
Se
dale.
golpeó el carro.
Bueno,
¡Te trae una verga!
Papá.
你手机，你报警了，你得报警。手机报警。911。
Thanks for watching. If you like these educational videos, you can subscribe and like. Hope you always drive safely.